Okay, we have a mixed review of knowing when to expand, what to do when that is happening. So if these are being multiplied, how would we expand it? We would put a plus sign between them. If it has an exponent, we'll move it to the front. If you are dividing, you'll separate it with a minus sign. And we're multiplying again. So we'll separate it with a plus sign. Separate it with a plus sign. Bring the 7 in front. Okay, this is a little bit more. What is happening right here? The 5 and r to the 6 are being multiplied. So the first step is to separate them with the plus sign. But the r to the 6 has an exponent. So the 6 is going to go in front of the natural log on that one. We're multiplying the 5 and the w, so we're going to put a plus sign. And we're dividing the v, so we're going to put a minus sign. I'm going to write it down here because I write kind of big. So log base 6 of 5 plus log base 6 of w minus log base 6 of v. Log base x of w minus log base x of v. Natural log y to the 3rd minus natural log 19. But y to the 3rd has an exponent, so the 3 is going to go in front. And now we're going to put them back together. Subtraction, so division. Addition, so multiplication. Addition, so multiplication. Now, it's been a while since I've done this lesson on IXL. This is the rule, but I see that we can actually do this because they're both numbers. 3 squared is 9. To be honest with you, I do not know which one IXL wants, but I'm pretty sure it's going to take either one of them. If anybody tries it out, let me know what's going on with IXL with that. Bring the 4 up to the v. Ooh, we got some stuff going on here. Okay. Let's see. We're going to, since 9y is the whole argument, we're going to move the 2 there. And because of the plus sign, we're going to multiply by y. Nine squared is 81, y squared is y squared. So this would be 81 y to the 3rd, because it's y squared here and another y, and if you're multiplying, you add your exponents. So I think that's the form that IXL wants. Let's see once we get into it. Okay, so I'm going to take 8 up to the 2, get natural log 2 to the 8 minus natural log 28. We're going to do to the 8 we are going to do 2 to the 8th and get 256. Minus natural log 28. Since it's subtract, we're going to divide, and that reduces to 64/7. Bring the 3 up to the 4. Bring that down. 4 to the 3rd is 64. Then we're going to multiply 64 and 7. And that would be 28, carry the 2, 42, 44. Multiply all of them together. That would be 30, which would be 227 with a 0. Bring the 4 up. Multiply. Which would be 2r to the 5th. Because you have 4 r's with another r makes it r to the 5th.